Layers of a rainforest. Rainforests are areas with many tall trees and high rainfall. Rainforests are full of life. In fact, over half of the world's species of plants and animals live in rainforests. Most tropical rainforests are found on or near the equator. For this reason, they're hot and very humid places. Rainforests have four main layers. The lowest layer is the forest floor. Because trees grow so close to one another, very little sunlight reaches the forest floor. It is estimated that only about 2% of the sunlight reaches this layer. For this reason, not many plants grow in this dark place. The forest floor is home to many of the larger rainforest animals. Depending on the rainforest, this could include jaguars, gorillas, tapirs, leopards, tigers, or elephants. The leaf litter that decays on the forest floor also makes it a perfect place for insects to live. Decomposers such as worms, bacteria, and fungi are hard at work on the forest floor, helping to release the nutrients trapped in the dead plant and animal matter back into the soil. The layer above the forest floor is called the understory. The understory also receives little light. Shrubs, bushes, and younger trees occupy this layer, many growing in small patches of light. Many climbing plants grow in the understory. Camouflage is particularly important for animals that live in this layer. Many animals that live in the understory rely on the humid and damp conditions to survive. Moving up from the understory, the next layer is the canopy. The canopy layer acts as a roof over the understory and forest floor. Many plants grow on the thick branches of the trees. Climbing plants wrap around them, creating a maze of leaves and branches. This layer blocks much of the sunlight from reaching the two layers beneath it. An abundance of leaves, fruits, seeds, and flowers grow here. For this reason, it is estimated that 70 to 90% of all the animals that live in rainforests live in the canopy. The canopy layer also provides protection to many animals from predators roaming about on the forest floor. Right at the very top is the emergent layer. Only the very tallest of the trees are found in this layer. Some trees can grow taller than 70 meters. The trees up here receive the most sunlight, but must deal with very high temperatures and often high winds. Some animals that live in the emergent layer include birds, bats, butterflies, and monkeys. While each layer has unique characteristics and species, it's important to remember that they're all connected in a number of ways. Each layer influences the others. Many animals move between the layers. EasyTeaching.net